It is said that the vehicle a person drives is a reflection of their personality. And there's no vehicle to better demonstrate this than a Subaru. It's versatile, responsible, and progressive, and built to last. And genuine Subaru accessories are built to personalize the driving experience for any adventure, big or small. But genuine Subaru accessories provide much more than style and personalization. They provide a level of safety and durability that typical aftermarket accessories can't match. They're designed by a team of Subaru accessories engineers and manufactured to the same rigorous standards as the rest of the Subaru vehicle to help ensure quality, reliability, and value for the road ahead. Extensive testing procedures help ensure that all government standards are met, in addition to Subaru engineering specification and performance targets. From environmental and strength testing to vibration and chemical resistance assessment, all Subaru accessories undergo certified lab trials and computer simulations and are also performed in real-world environments. When it comes to accessories, one size does not fit all. Genuine Subaru accessories are precision engineered using original computer-aided design data for each Subaru model. Genuine Subaru accessories are specifically made for the vehicle they're sold for, which means they fit better, perform better, and last longer than aftermarket editions.
Whether accessories that help to add protection and security, audio upgrades, convenience electronics, or lifestyle accessories by Thule, accessory planning and testing can start 3.5 years before a new Subaru model is introduced. Plus, they're designed in conjunction with the vehicle for precise form, fit, and function.
Genuine Subaru electronic accessories are designed according to the vehicle's original specifications and are fully integrated into Subaru vehicle systems. Wiring and body integrated unit software are pre-arranged during the manufacture of the Subaru vehicle to allow for faster installation and seamless integration of electronic accessories.
Plug-and-play, pre-wired connections help ensure higher performance and robust functionality. Every genuine Subaru audio upgrade accessory is acoustically measured and custom-tuned to provide optimum sound quality.
To help ensure seamless operation and uninterrupted functionality, genuine Subaru accessories are directly incorporated into the vehicle's electrical infrastructure. In addition to environmental testing, electrical and electromagnetic testing is performed to address a variety of concerns, such as short circuit prevention, overcurrent safety, and battery current management. Subaru accessory technology is developed and tested with the vehicle's complex, integrated electrical system in mind, eliminating the possibility of electrical interference to vehicle systems.
For a precise fit and improved durability or compatibility, Subaru engineers are in close collaboration with Thule during the design and development of genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories.
We work hand in hand with the Thule Group and perform a series of tests to help ensure all racks and carriers comply with Subaru unique requirements.
Subaru's commitment to safety is what sets the genuine Subaru trailer hitch apart from aftermarket hitches. The genuine Subaru trailer hitch is designed to attach to the vehicle structure in such a way that it becomes an integrated component, not only for towing, but also from a safety perspective.
It is developed in conjunction with the vehicle and undergoes rigorous testing, as its installation method is an important area to consider when purchasing this type of accessory.
Our trailer hitch is validated to provide optimal clearance, the required strength, and superior safety. They are crash tested with the vehicle as a complete system to verify they do not negatively impact any safety features of the vehicle and to help ensure the vehicle's IIHS rating is maintained. Genuine Subaru protection accessories, including all-weather floor liners, are precision engineered using vehicle CAD data for every trim level of every Subaru model. Unlike typical aftermarket floor liners, genuine Subaru all-weather floor liners are extensively evaluated and undergo a series of functional tests to help ensure a precise fit and to keep genuine Subaru accessories on the leading edge of safety. Genuine Subaru accessories are covered by Subaru's 3-year, 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Accessories installed after the 336 vehicle warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule carry a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. Genuine Subaru accessories can be included in monthly payments for added convenience. When a trusted Subaru certified technician installs a genuine Subaru accessory, it is installed with the same care and precision that goes into the manufacturing of the Subaru vehicle. Subaru technicians receive comprehensive training on every accessory and system in a Subaru vehicle to help ensure a seamless integration every time. Whether looking to preserve and protect, equip for any adventure, or simply increase personal style, value, safety, and security that lasts begins with genuine Subaru accessories. Life is busy. Schedules are hectic, but family is your focus, and you need your Subaru to be as flexible and versatile as you are. The 3-row Subaru Ascent opens up a world of possibility to make the best out of every moment you have together as you take on new experiences and build memories that will last forever. Be ready to live life to its fullest with genuine Subaru accessories, designed for all your everyday adventures ahead. Genuine Subaru accessories are engineered to the same rigorous standards as the rest of the vehicle. That's why every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty of an original purchaser's limited lifetime warranty for our lifestyle accessories by Thule. Let's start the adventure and explore some of the ways to add personal style, comfort, and security to the 3-row Subaru Ascent. Everyone knows what a crowded parking lot can mean to the sides of a new vehicle. With color-matched body side molding, style is maintained while helping to protect doors from unsightly scrapes and dings. Preserve and improve the appearance of the Ascent. Outfit it with custom-fit, color-matched stainless steel door edge guards that help protect door edges from dings and chips, all while seamlessly blending into the door design. A sure way to help add a rugged edge to the Ascent while protecting the lower bumper area from gravel, brush, and debris is the addition of a front bumper underguard. Go on life's little or big adventure, anywhere, anytime with peace of mind. Protect the paint finish of the Ascent from stones and road grime with genuine Subaru splash guards. This accessory comes as a set of 4. With an impressive 86.5 cubic feet of cargo room, there's bound to be a lot of hauling going on in the new Subaru Ascent. To help keep the upper surface of the painted bumper looking like new, the rear bumper cover protects it from scratches and scuffs, all while enhancing the appearance with a chrome finish. When the rear seats go down to make way for supersized items, the rear seatback protector offers additional protection against scuffs and scratches to the seatbacks. For best results, use this accessory in conjunction with the cargo tray. No matter how neat and orderly the cargo area is packed, you need to be prepared for the unexpected. The genuine Subaru cargo tray can help keep all your gear in place. Plus, this popular accessory also helps to keep the cargo area protected from stains, sand, moisture, dirt, and other messes, and can be easily removed from the vehicle and rinsed clean. With all the gear the Subaru Ascent can hold, the genuine Subaru cargo net is the answer to keep everything in place while the vehicle is in motion. Use this accessory in 2 ways. Either anchor it to the sides of the cargo area to help prevent shifting from front to back, or lay it across the floor to help keep items from rolling around. It's as versatile as it is useful. Keep all your personal belongings, packed for short trips or the long haul, out of sight with the fully retractable maximum coverage cover. Newly designed and custom-made for a perfect fit, the high wall construction of the all-weather floor liners help to keep life's messes contained. Rain, snow, sand, dirt, mud, and accidental spills are no match for genuine Subaru all-weather floor liners. No matter where the journey may take you, things can get a little messy when there's room for up to 8 passengers, pets, and a life on the go. To help keep the back seat of the Ascent nice and tidy, the second row seat cover is custom fit to do the job. This polyester front and polyurethane coated back seat cover is machine washable, water resistant, and latch accessible, and is available for the second row bench seat or second row captain's chairs. Extend the protection of your third row seats with the custom fitted third row seat cover. Door scuff protectors help to keep shoe scuffs and other scrapes off the doors when getting in and out of the vehicle. This accessory comes in a set of 4. Blue skies and bright sunshine are great for any family road trip. But when nap time rolls around, that bright sun can keep your precious cargo from getting some much-needed rest. This brand new accessory, developed for the Subaru Ascent, dims the sun's glare, reduces interior temperatures, and protects sensitive skin from the sun's UVA and UVB rays. For maximum sun protection, extend the use of sunshades to the third row. When the day's excursion comes to an end and the sun is set, protect eyes from the glare of headlights from behind with the auto-dimming mirror. This upgraded accessory features an auto-dimming mirror that darkens automatically to reduce glare and protect the driver's vision. An 8-point digital compass is also included to keep things headed in the right direction. Once home, 3 integrated backlit HomeLink buttons can be programmed to operate most garage doors, security gates, home lighting, and more. It can also let you know if a garage door has been left open or closed if programmed to a compatible opener featuring 2-way communication by pressing the first 2 buttons on the mirror simultaneously. The auto-dimming mirror experience can be enhanced with the auto-dimming exterior mirror with approach light. This accessory helps to add an element of safety by reducing headlight glare coming from the rear of the vehicle. Plus, the keyless entry system activates LED lights in each exterior mirror to illuminate the ground, next to and towards the back of the vehicle, to increase nighttime visibility for all passengers to help detect ice, puddles, drop keys, or anything near the vehicle. The accessory requires the auto-dimming interior mirror. When it comes to lighting, the LED upgrade for map and reading lights brings a new sense of clarity to the interior of the Ascent. The upgrade offers brighter, wider, and crisper lighting for improved visibility and reduced power consumption per bulb. A hot sunny day is welcomed when having family-sized fun at the beach, the amusement park, or at the campsite. But it's a different story during the work week. For the Subaru owner who chooses not to subscribe to Subaru Starlink Safety and Security Plus package, the remote engine starter accessory offers the convenience of starting the Ascent to control the vehicle's interior temperature before getting in and getting on the road. The remote engine starter works from up to 400 feet away, depending on obstructions. The Rockford Fosgate audio upgrade gives the Ascent audio system a whole new level of sound quality. The upgrade includes an amplifier, high-efficiency speakers, and an integrated digital signal processor. Third-row passengers can power up with 2 additional USB ports. With 2.1 amps of charging power, most electronic devices can be ready to go in no time. And with 6 standard USB ports throughout the cabin, the whole family can stay charged and connected. Even though the 2019 Ascent is the biggest Subaru ever, there are times when family-sized adventures need even more space and a little extra towing power. On these occasions, the genuine Subaru trailer hitch for the Ascent has a maximum towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds. The integrated trailer hitch system is engineered specifically for the Ascent, crash-tested to help maximize safety, and weather-tested for lasting durability. The complete trailer hitch requires the hitch and harness for proper operation and safety compliance. Specifically designed for the family-sized Subaru Ascent, this Thule hitch-mounted bike carrier is capable of securing up to 4 bicycles. The lightweight aluminum rack attaches to the 2-inch genuine Subaru trailer hitch receiver for easy handling, installation, and removal. Anti-sway cages help absorb road shock while preventing bike-to-bike and bike-to-vehicle contact. Arms fold down when not in use, and the rack pivots backwards for easy access to the cargo area, and an integrated locking cable and locking hitch pin lock the bikes to the carrier and carrier to the vehicle. Add a crossbar set to add even more cargo carrying capabilities of the Ascent. This accessory comes in 2 styles and may be used with genuine Subaru roof attachments and carriers. Hit the road with all the gear you need for all the adventure you want with genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule. The cargo carrier provides 13 cubic feet of lockable storage capacity and features dual side opening for easier loading and unloading from either side of the vehicle. The low-profile, aerodynamic design provides increased garage access without sacrificing box capacity, and the quick grip mounting system allows for an easy, tool-free installation and removal. This accessory is also available in an extended version that provides 17 cubic feet of storage. If adventures on the water are calling you, outfit the Ascent with a genuine Subaru kayak carrier. The genuine Subaru kayak carrier features a steel design and adjustable padding to help protect your kayak. The J-style carrier folds down when not in use for increased overhead clearance and improved fuel economy. Transports 1 kayak up to 36 inches wide and up to 75 pounds. Or if you want to hit the snow-covered slopes, haul skis, or a snowboard with a genuine Subaru ski and snowboard carrier manufactured by Thule. It holds up to 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards securely with ultra-soft rubber arms that grip without scratching surfaces. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance, a little extra boost may be needed to grab gear off the roof of the biggest Subaru ever. No problem. The extra height can be achieved with the new Thule portable step. Constructed of heavy-duty steel for sturdiness, the portable step is equipped with rubber bumpers to help prevent wheel scrapes and scuffs. When not in use, the step conveniently folds into a carrying bag for easy storage. Thank you for taking the time to discover some of the many genuine Subaru accessories designed to add even more style and versatility to the 3-row Subaru Ascent. From products that increase family comfort during day-to-day adventures, to lifestyle accessories for the extra space needed to get up and go on extended family vacations, genuine Subaru accessories are designed for the experience ahead. Make the most of every adventure and keep your Subaru 100% Subaru with genuine Subaru accessories. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 336 warranty period are backed by 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Subaru Lifestyle Accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.